Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Samsung Galaxy M12. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So, if you use anything metallic, then you will only damage the port. And if you use something like a soft brush or an air compressor, then you can easily clean it. And you won't damage it. Now, you guys can test your mic in a voice recorder app or anything else, so you can even call up somebody. My personal thing that I do is I either use the voice recorder app right here or I simply use the camera. But for now, we're gonna use the voice recorder. Let's allow our microphone while being in an app. And as you guys can see, it is recording because whenever I talk, then it just goes up. Now I'll stop talking. And as you guys can see, our microphone definitely works. You see that space between both of those? That means our microphone is working. Now, let's quickly save it. And now, what you guys want to do is go over and restart your phone. And how you do that? You hold the power button until you see this menu pop up. Now, click on restart and tap again to restart the device. So now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys once it restarts completely. Now after the phone restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any mic bugs. So open up the settings. Now in those settings you need to scroll a bit down until you guys see software update. Now here, click on download and install, and it will check for your updates automatically. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then make sure to update it. It's very important to keep your software updated. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.